Dolly De Leon, nabaon sa utang at meron ding inamin tungkol kay Catherine Bernardo. Bago tayo magpatuloy, paki-like ang video na ito bilang suporta sa aking channel. Malaki ang pagbabago sa buhay ni Dolly De Leon, mula nang magtagumpay ang kanyang major motion picture na Triangle of Sadness sa ibang bansa. Inamin ng kagalang-galang na aktres na medyo bumuti ang kanyang buhay, kumpara noong baon pa siya sa utang. "Everything has changed about my life. I'm not just always waiting for jobs to come. I'm actually really working, which I love so much, and I can't complain when I'm tired. To me it is a blessing. It has really changed a lot," ang bahagi ng pahayag ni Dolly sa isang panayam. Pag-amin pa ng aktres patungkol sa kanyang financial status, "I'm not deeply in debt now like I used to be. I was able to pay for my debt, yes." Bilang karagdagan, tinanong si Dolly tungkol sa pinakamalaking insight na nakuha niya mula sa kanyang kasalukuyang antas ng tagumpay sa show business. "I think the biggest revelation for me is that it is really important to really be kind to everyone you meet and everyone you work with. You can't be selective with who you're kind to. It doesn't matter what their position in society or work. You just have to be kind to everyone, because people really change towards me, and I see how they treat other people differently, and it is really sad. I don't think that's the right way to go. We should just be good to everybody," paliwanag pa niya. Samantala, nagkaroon din ng talakayan tungkol sa susunod niyang pelikulang A Very Good Girl, sa Star Cinema kasama si Catherine Bernardo. "I would work with her in a heartbeat, because I saw her in Hello Love Goodbye and she was so great there," say ni Dolly. Patuloy pa niyang papuri kay Kath, "She is really a fantastic actress, and it is really a bonus na lang na magaling siya umarte. What's really important is she is a very kind person, she's very down to earth, she's a great human being, she's fun and funny, and I love working with her in scenes, she's very generous," sipa niya. "This film is very important for the characters to really be effective, if your scene partner is also very generous and giving towards you, and Catherine was that way. She was always present, even in the scenes where she's off cam and I'm on cam, she would be behind the camera to support me," pagbabahagi pa ni Dolly De Leon. Huwag kalimutang i-like ang video na ito at mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Salamat sa panonood!